PVC Profile Extruder. We offer two kinds of production lines for PVC profile: single screw extruder and conical twin screw extruder, with output range of 40 kilograms to 200 kilograms per hour. Single screw extruder is suitable for producing profile of wood pattern, while conical twin screw is best suited to produce profiles of single color, which needs to be printed and laminated after extrusion. Profile in sizes ranging from 20 mm to 1200 mm wide can be produced through this extruder. The vacuum tank ensures intensive cooling and has axial adjustment on slide rails with locking arrangements. Haul-off is placed after the cooling tank to draw the profile out of die with twin track system that can be suitably adjusted as per the dimension of profile. The haul-off has been synchronized with extruder with the help of AC frequency variable drive, and the gap between two tracks and pressure is made to be adjusted pneumatically. We have also provided grooved rubber pads on the chain to provide uniform pressure. The pressure is maintained on the profile in such a manner that it does not leave the pad marks on the profile even if the profile is of very light weight. The cutting machine is specially fitted with alloy blade to cut profiles smoothly. All movements of this cutting machine are equipped with pneumatic cylinders and limit switch. Unloading table has been put at the end of the line to stack profiles.